Hello, this is Pranavan, and today we will be looking into the Nike SB Stefan Janoski Max Obsidian / Mineral Gold trainers. So let's have a look into this right now. There you can see. So yeah, looks really good. On the front, on the side. Yeah. Look forward to wearing these trainers today. And there you have it. This is the Nike SB Stefan Janoski Max Obsidian / Mineral Gold trainers. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the future. Bye.